Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today for a presentation on harnessing AI and unified data for business transformation. On this first slide, you'll see the main title, Harnessing AI and Unified Data for Business Transformation, along with the subtitle, Overcoming Data Overload with Microsoft Fabric, OneLake, and CoPilot AI. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how these innovative tools can help you manage data more effectively and unlock new opportunities for your organization. So, let's get started. Let's dive into the introduction of the data overload challenge. As organizations, we are collecting more data than ever before. The key is figuring out how to harness this vast amount of information effectively. Doing so isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential for overcoming the hurdles that come with data overload. Now, why is this so important? Well, the struggle to utilize data efficiently impacts our overall business efficiency. If we can't manage and analyze data properly, it hampers our ability to make strategic decisions and innovate. Think about it, this flood of information makes it harder to find insights. We often find ourselves drowning in spreadsheets and scattered systems, trying to piece everything together. Across industries, data is growing at an unprecedented rate. It's overwhelming, and despite collecting data from hundreds of sources, more than 90% of it remains unused. This rapid growth creates significant challenges, but also highlights the urgent need for smarter data management strategies. Connecting this to our overall theme, leveraging AI and unifying data sources can be the game changer in transforming how we handle this data overload. When we talk about the impact of data overload, the key issue is that delays in accessing insights from fragmented data can significantly hinder our ability to make informed decisions. When data is scattered across different platforms, it creates bottlenecks that slow down our response time. This isn't just about inconvenience, it directly affects a company's agility, especially in competitive and fast-paced markets where timing is everything. For example, a retail company I know once faced substantial delays in generating reports because their data was spread out across multiple systems. This inefficiency cost them critical time, and as a result, they couldn't respond quickly enough to market demands, losing valuable opportunities. Fragmented data challenges are a major obstacle because they slow down decision-making and report generation. Imagine needing 3 days just to produce a report. By then, the market could have moved on, and the opportunity might be gone. This is why harnessing AI and unifying data sources isn't just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic necessity for maintaining competitive agility and making smarter, faster decisions. Let's talk about the need for streamlined data access. As organizations grow, the ability to quickly and easily access data becomes crucial. That's where harnessing AI and creating unified data environments come into play. By simplifying the tools we use, we make data engagement more intuitive for everyone, not just data specialists. This openness encourages a culture of data-driven decision-making, empowering teams to make smarter choices faster. When data is more accessible, organizations become more agile and competitive. They can adapt swiftly to changing market demands or internal needs. AI-driven solutions further enhance this by allowing users to ask questions in plain language and receive immediate, actionable insights. It's a way to bridge the gap between data experts and everyday users, making everyone more capable and confident in working with data. Ultimately, streamlined data access is about empowering teams and democratizing information. When tools are simple to use and data is readily available, both technical and non-technical users can engage directly with the data they need. This creates a more collaborative environment where insights flow freely, fueling faster innovation and better outcomes. Let's take a closer look at how Microsoft Fabric AI skills are transforming the way we work with data. Essentially, they break down traditional barriers that often make data analysis complex and inaccessible. This means that teams across marketing, finance, and other departments can easily leverage these AI capabilities. As a result, organizations see an increase in data literacy and better insight generation across the board. One of the most exciting aspects is that users aren't required to have specialized technical skills like SQL or DAX. This opens up data analysis to a much broader audience, making it more inclusive. And to make things even more user-friendly, Microsoft Fabric AI skills allow users to interact with data using natural language queries. So instead of writing code, you can simply ask questions like, "Show me the top 10 customers by revenue in Q2," and get instant, accurate answers. This approach really empowers everyone to make data-driven decisions without needing advanced technical knowledge, which aligns perfectly with our goal of democratizing data access and insights. Let's talk about activating AI skills in Microsoft Fabric. First, you'll want to access your Microsoft Fabric account to get started. Make sure you have your credentials ready. That way, logging in will be smooth and seamless. Once you're in, head over to the AI skills section on the dashboard. This is really the starting point for bringing AI capabilities into your organization's workflows. From there, you'll engage with step-by-step prompts that guide you through the entire activation process. These instructions are designed to be straightforward, making it easier for your team to adopt these AI tools without any hassle. The goal is to complete this process in under an hour, which is quite efficient. This quick setup encourages broader adoption across your teams, helping everyone benefit from AI's transformative power. So to summarize, you log in, find the AI skills section, follow the guided prompts, and achieve quick activation. This streamlined approach is key to harnessing AI effectively in Microsoft Fabric and driving your business transformation forward. Let's talk about customizing AI skills for your organization. The key idea here is that customization ensures the insights you get are relevant to your specific needs. By tailoring AI capabilities, you support data-driven decisions that truly align with what your organization is trying to achieve. It's important to constantly align these AI tools with your organizational goals. That means regularly monitoring how AI skills are being used and adjusting settings as needed. This way, you keep operations efficient and relevant. Another critical aspect is training your users on effective query techniques. When your team knows how to ask the right questions, the AI provides better, more actionable insights. Finally, understanding which data types are most used within your organization helps you tailor AI skills even further. By identifying these key data types, you can maximize the impact of your AI tools, making sure they serve your organization's unique data landscape. Now, let's talk about how using natural language queries can revolutionize our data interaction. One of the most exciting benefits is the dramatic reduction in wait times, from days down to just seconds, for critical insights. Imagine making faster, more informed decisions because you get the information you need almost instantly. This speed is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. With AI interpreting our intent, we can get immediate, actionable data without the need for complex coding or technical skills. This approach really removes the traditional barriers that slow us down. Instead of writing queries or navigating complicated dashboards, you can simply ask questions in plain language. For example, you might ask, "What are our sales trends over the past 6 months?" Or, "How many new customers did we acquire last quarter?" These natural language queries transform how we interact with data, making it more accessible and intuitive. Overall, this technology empowers us to make quicker decisions and unlock insights that drive business transformation, faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Let's take a closer look at the user-friendly interface of Microsoft Fabric. One of the main strengths here is how intuitive it is. This means that even if you're not a tech expert, you can start using it quickly without feeling overwhelmed. This ease of use really helps reduce frustration during learning, making the whole experience much smoother. Because the platform is designed with the user in mind, it encourages faster adoption across the organization. When employees find a tool accessible and straightforward, they're more likely to use it regularly, which ultimately boosts overall productivity. Speaking of accessibility, Microsoft Fabric is built so that everyone, from different departments to different skill levels, can easily navigate and understand it. It's not just for data scientists or IT specialists, it's meant for everyone. To help new users get up to speed, Microsoft Fabric offers helpful tooltips and guided tour. These features serve as virtual assistants, walking users through the platform and clarifying how each feature works. This support makes onboarding much easier and ensures that even those unfamiliar with the system can become proficient quickly. Finally, the platform features easy-to-navigate dashboards. These dashboards are designed to simplify data visualization, making it easier for users to interpret information at a glance and make informed decisions. All of these elements come together to create an experience that's not only powerful but also accessible and user-friendly, aligning perfectly with our goal of transforming business through smarter, more intuitive technology. Now, let's talk about the onboarding and support resources that are available to help you make the most of AI and data tools. These resources are designed to ensure that every member of your organization can confidently leverage data capabilities, regardless of their experience level. We've included comprehensive materials that support effective use of AI skills across teams, helping everyone to stay aligned and empowered. To give you real-world context, we have case studies that showcase successful AI implementation. These examples highlight practical applications and the tangible benefits of adopting AI skills in various scenarios. When you encounter challenges, customer support and community forums are there to assist you. They provide quick, timely help to troubleshoot issues and keep your projects moving forward. And for those who prefer a guided approach, step-by-step tutorials are available. These tutorials walk you through features in detail, ensuring you can use AI skills effectively and confidently. Altogether, these resources form a comprehensive support system, empowering your team to transform your business through AI and data-driven decision-making. Let's take a closer look at how this retail case study demonstrates the impact of AI and unified data on business transformation. As you can see, the key focus here is on improved business agility. This means that companies can make faster, smarter decisions thanks to AI skills. When decision-making happens more quickly, the entire organization becomes more agile and responsive to market changes. This shift also significantly boosts operational efficiency. For example, merchandise planning teams are now able to respond swiftly to shifts in customer demand or market trends. This agility helps them optimize inventory and sales strategies more effectively, which ultimately benefits the bottom line. Another powerful illustration of this transformation is how a retail chain was able to drastically reduce data report wait times, from 3 days down to instant access. That leap in speed allows teams to act on real-time data immediately, enabling more timely decisions and a more dynamic response to changing conditions. Overall, this case underscores how leveraging AI skills and unified data not only accelerates decision-making, but also fundamentally enhances how quickly and efficiently a business can operate in a competitive landscape. Let's take a closer look at how AI and unified data are transforming the healthcare sector. One of the key outcomes we've seen is improved patient care results. When healthcare staff adopt AI skills, they can make better operational decisions, which ultimately leads to better outcomes for patients. It's about empowering teams to act more confidently and efficiently. Another critical point is democratizing data access. By making data more accessible to professionals without technical backgrounds, we're enabling a broader range of staff to engage deeply with the data. This inclusivity accelerates insights and collaboration across the organization. And the impact is quite remarkable. Within just 3 months of adopting AI skills, healthcare organizations experienced a 340% surge in active data users. That shows how quickly teams can embrace new tools and leverage data more effectively. All of these points underscore the overall theme of this transformation, harnessing AI and data to not only improve operational efficiency, but also to significantly enhance patient care outcomes. Let's look at a real-world example of how leveraging AI and unified data can drive significant efficiency gains in the financial services industry. This case study focuses on a company that managed to drastically reduce the time needed for client research calls. Previously, these calls could take up to 30 minutes, which is a considerable amount of time when you think about the volume of clients they handle. But through the strategic use of AI skills, they were able to cut that down to under 3 minutes. This is a game changer because it not only speeds up the process, but also frees up valuable time for advisors to focus on more complex issues or deeper client engagement. It's a perfect example of how intelligent automation and data integration can transform operational efficiency. This kind of improvement directly ties into our overall theme of using advanced technologies to optimize business outcomes and deliver better value to clients. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key challenges organizations faced before adopting AI skills. These challenges made it difficult to get a complete picture of the business. Without that full view, making timely and informed decisions became a real struggle. For example, reporting processes were often slow and labor-intensive, which only added to the delay in decision-making and reduced operational agility. When reports take too long to generate, it hampers the organization's ability to respond quickly to changing circumstances. Then there's the issue of overwhelming data volumes. As data continued to grow exponentially, it became harder to analyze everything efficiently, which meant we often missed critical insights or couldn't act on them fast enough. This delay in acting on vital information can impact everything from customer satisfaction to revenue. Finally, many organizations faced data fragmentation across different systems, whether on-premises, in the cloud, or legacy systems. This fragmentation made it really challenging to consolidate data into a single, unified view. Without that, understanding the full business picture or making holistic decisions becomes even more complicated. All these challenges highlight why embracing AI and unified data is so crucial. It's about overcoming these barriers to unlock better insights and drive transformation. Let's take a closer look at some of the quantifiable benefits of implementing AI skills and harnessing unified data for business transformation. First, we see how AI can streamline industry workflows. This means that tasks like generating reports become faster and more efficient, allowing different industries to operate more smoothly and save valuable time. In the financial services sector, the impact is particularly striking. The time it takes to conduct client research has been reduced from about 30 minutes down to under 3 minutes. That's a significant boost in efficiency, enabling financial institutions to serve clients more quickly and improve their overall experience. And in healthcare, we're seeing a surge in data utilization. The number of active data users has increased by 340%, which reflects how AI tools are enabling healthcare professionals to access and analyze data more effectively than ever before. All of these points highlight how AI not only improves operational efficiency, but also empowers industries to leverage their data in ways that were previously unimaginable. This is a clear demonstration of how AI skills can drive real, measurable transformation across various sectors. Now, let's explore how fostering a culture of data-driven decision-making can significantly enhance our organizational agility. When teams rely on data to guide their choices, we become more adaptable and responsive to change. This increased agility not only improves our ability to meet market demands, but also boosts our competitiveness in the ever-evolving business landscape. Next, I want to highlight how AI skills play a crucial role in empowering all team members, regardless of their technical background. By equipping everyone with the necessary skills, we promote a culture of inclusivity and collaboration. This approach ensures that diverse perspectives contribute to problem-solving and innovation. Finally, fostering AI skills also helps break down traditional silos within organizations. When teams can perform cross-functional analytics, decision-making becomes faster and more informed. This seamless collaboration leads to better outcomes and a more agile, dynamic organization. OneLake addresses a very common challenge in data management, which is data fragmentation. You see, in many organizations, data is often scattered across different systems and formats, making it difficult to access and analyze effectively. OneLake's unified structure tackles this issue head-on by consolidating all this data into a single, central repository. This means that instead of juggling multiple sources, you have a streamlined, integrated view of your data. This unified approach not only simplifies access, but also allows for much better contextual analysis. When data from various formats comes together in one place, it's easier to understand how different pieces relate to each other and to the bigger picture. Furthermore, OneLake supports over 15 different data formats, serving as a true hub for diverse data types. By organizing all these formats into one cohesive system, it makes retrieval more efficient and reduces the complexity of managing multiple fragmented sources. Overall, this centralization and organization empower businesses to harness their data more effectively, driving better insights and faster decision-making, which aligns perfectly with our theme of transforming business through unified data and AI. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of the OneLake architecture. First, it helps us consolidate scattered data, which significantly reduces the effort needed for integration. By mitigating data fragmentation, we streamline workflows and improve overall efficiency. This means teams can work more seamlessly without getting bogged down by siloed information. Next, OneLake comes with built-in compliance and privacy controls. These features are crucial because they ensure that all data usage aligns with regulatory standards, giving us peace of mind and helping us avoid potential legal issues. Another key advantage is improved collaboration. Sharing data within OneLake fosters better communication among teams, leading to more informed and effective decision-making. When everyone has access to the same trusted data, collaboration becomes much smoother. Finally, OneLake enhances accessibility by allowing quick retrieval of data. This means users can access the data they need promptly, without delays, which keeps workflows moving and supports timely decision-making. Altogether, these benefits show how OneLake is designed to transform our data management approach and support our broader business goals. Now, let's explore the role of open standards in OneLake. This slide highlights how OneLake's approach empowers organizations to harness data effectively, especially for advanced analytics and AI. By doing so, it fosters innovation and supports strategic growth through data-driven solutions. When we talk about empowering advanced analytics and AI, what we mean is that OneLake seamlessly integrates data from various sources, enabling organizations to extract actionable insights. These insights are crucial because they allow decision-makers to make informed choices based on a comprehensive understanding of their data landscape. Another key point is maintaining data context. OneLake preserves this context, which means that the data isn't just raw numbers, it's enriched with the necessary background and relationships. This leads to richer, deeper analytics, helping organizations uncover more meaningful insights from their data. Finally, let's touch on interoperability. By utilizing open standards such as Delta Parquet and Apache Iceberg, OneLake enhances the ability of different data sources to work together smoothly. This interoperability ensures seamless integration and collaboration across various systems, making data more accessible and usable across the organization. Overall, these elements, advanced analytics, data context, and interoperability, are central to transforming data into strategic assets, driving innovation and growth across the business landscape. Let's talk about how OneLake simplifies AI implementation by harnessing the power of unified data. Essentially, OneLake helps organizations adopt AI more quickly by providing reliable and governed data that you can trust. This is crucial because, in today's fast-paced world, speed and accuracy are everything when it comes to analytics. By streamlining data access and management, OneLake allows teams to focus on what really matters, building models and extracting valuable insights, without getting bogged down by data preparation issues. It removes those common distractions that slow down progress. And because OneLake offers a structured data environment, deploying AI algorithms becomes much smoother. You don't have to worry about complex data restructuring, which means the whole process is more efficient. In the end, this all ties back to our goal of making AI adoption faster, easier, and more reliable, so organizations can innovate and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape. Now, let's look at how Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant is harnessing AI and unified data to transform business. Copilot turns complex data interactions into an accessible experience for everyone. It's designed to make data handling more efficient and easier for users at all skill levels, which is a key step toward democratizing data access within organizations. By simplifying data tasks, Copilot helps users perform even complicated data operations quickly and with less effort. This means less time spent on manual data work and more time on deriving insights and making decisions. It also provides instant answers to user questions, so you can get the information you need right away. Plus, it can generate reports swiftly and efficiently, streamlining what used to be a time-consuming process. All of this is made possible because Copilot is integrated directly into Microsoft Fabric as a virtual AI assistant. It understands natural language, allowing users to interact in a conversational way, making the experience seamless and intuitive. Together, these features demonstrate how AI and unified data are not just tools, but catalysts for transforming how businesses operate, enabling smarter, faster, and more accessible data-driven decision-making. Now, let's look at some of the key features and user benefits of Copilot. First, Copilot democratizes data access, meaning it empowers all employees to confidently engage with data and make faster, more informed decisions. This inclusivity helps ensure that everyone, regardless of technical expertise, can access valuable data-driven insights. Next, organizations have reported a 50% reduction in the time spent preparing reports, which significantly boosts productivity. This efficiency allows teams to dedicate more time to strategic initiatives rather than manual data crunching, fostering a stronger culture of data-driven decision-making. Another important aspect is the seamless integration with Microsoft Fabric. This integration makes it easy for even non-technical team members to access data and create reports, streamlining workflows and encouraging better collaboration across departments. Guided analysis is also a powerful feature. It offers tailored insights and suggests visualizations like bar charts or line graphs, helping users focus on making decisions rather than getting lost in the data complexity. It simplifies understanding, making insights more accessible. Finally, Microsoft Copilot acts as a trusted AI assistant. It provides real-time recommendations and guided analysis, allowing users to ask questions in plain language and receive instant, actionable insights. This makes data interaction more intuitive and accessible for everyone. As we look to the future, Microsoft Fabric is poised to make significant AI enhancements that will truly transform how we work with data. One of the key trends we're seeing is a surge in AI adoption and the increasing importance of user customization. This highlights the need to educate users effectively so they can make the most of these powerful tools. By actively listening to user feedback, Microsoft is shaping AI improvements that address real-world needs. This ongoing dialogue ensures that the solutions we develop are practical and impactful. Another critical aspect is evolving governance models. These models are designed to strike a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring compliance with regulations. It's essential that, as we advance AI capabilities, we do so ethically and within the legal frameworks that protect data and privacy. Additionally, industry-specific functionalities are being developed to tailor AI capabilities to the unique challenges faced by different sectors. These targeted solutions will help organizations address their specific needs more effectively, making AI not just powerful, but also highly relevant. Finally, conversational memory is a game changer. It allows AI to maintain context during interactions, making data conversations feel more natural and intuitive. This feature will greatly enhance user experience, making it easier to engage with data seamlessly. Overall, these developments are about harnessing AI and unified data to drive meaningful business transformation, aligning innovation with responsible practices, and customizing solutions to serve diverse industry needs.